30 odd minutes from now, she will reach the NCB office in Ballotpur. Breaking news, Ananya Panday to appear before the NCB officials in just about a short moment from now. Sources have told India Today that Ananya Panday's family is terming the grilling as regular questioning and have promised to be transparent, and they are going to be providing all the information to support the NCB probe. That's the latest coming in. So Ananya Panday's family, that is Chunky Pandey, Bhavna Pandey, the parents, sources close to them have revealed that they are going to be terming this particular grilling as regular questioning. They've promised now to be transparent. They've promised that they will provide all the information to support the probe that is being conducted by the Narcotics Control Bureau. That's the latest coming in. Let's go to our Mumbai reporters. Sahil Joshi is joining us for the very latest. Sahil, sources close to Ananya Panday's family revealing that they are going to be cooperating with this probe, terming the grilling as regular questioning, promised to be transparent. They've promised to provide all the information to support the NCB probe as well. But my point here is this. It's close to about more than 2 weeks and all the evidence that the NCB perhaps wants to go ahead and digital trail or whatever they want to recover from Ananya Panday, that would have been stand to be destroyed by now.
Well, that is really interesting because Narcotics Control Bureau had said that they actually want to unearth a big racket of the narcotic substances, the people who are dealing with narcotic substances in Mumbai. Now it looks like that they are pursuing the WhatsApp chats from Aryan Khan's mobile phone, and that is the reason why they have called Ananya Panday in this. I am joined by Divyesh Singh, who follows Narcotics Control Bureau very closely, and let's try and understand that what kind of the line of questioning it can be. And he has been in touch with the Narcotics Control Bureau's officers regularly. Yes, Divyesh, what the officers are telling you? What kind of questions will be asked to Ananya Panday when she will be reaching here in just few minutes of time?
Well, Sahil, what we've learned from our sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau is that the queries will be based basically on the basis of the chats that have been retrieved from Aryan Khan's mobile phone, and these queries are mostly regarding since when did you know about Aryan Khan consuming drugs? Since when did you know about Aryan Khan consuming, what kind of drugs were being consumed? Did you also consume drugs with him? What kind of drugs were being consumed? Who are the suppliers? Who are the drug peddlers? So these are the kind of queries that will be posed in front of Ananya Panday. She'll be examined by NCB officials, and depending on whatever answer she provides, that will turn out to be a new piece of evidence for Narcotics Control Bureau, which could be produced in front of the Bombay High Court when the hearing on a bail plea of Aryan Khan happens.
Well, it's very interesting. What we have been noticing is that it's an investigation agency's, it's their strategy. You know, whenever there is a bail application, whenever there is a remand application in the court, they come up with something new with respect to Aryan Khan, right? There are 20 people who have been arrested. They think that it's a a racket of many people here. And what it seems now is that the people who have been arrested with the commercial quantity right now.
Apologies for this particular interruption right there. We're getting inside details of the NCB's questioning of Ananya Panday. The following queries are going to be asked. I'm just getting the information coming in. Number one, how do you know Aryan Khan is the first question. Number two, have you seen Aryan consuming drugs? Where did he procure those drugs from? The next question, did you consume drugs with him? Since how long has Aryan Khan been consuming drugs? What kind of drugs was Aryan Khan consuming is what the NCB proposes to ask Ananya Panday. What kind of drugs have you consumed? So this is a direct question to Ananya Panday as well, questioning her on what kind of drugs she ends up consuming. But this is source-based information coming in inside track of what the NCB is likely to ask Ananya Panday. Who supplied these drugs? Who are these drug suppliers? On how many occasions were these drugs consumed? Do you remember the dates when the drugs were consumed? Did you know that consuming drugs is illegal? So this is the line of questioning that the NCB is going to take when it comes to grilling Ananya Panday. These are the following queries that Ananya Pandey is going to be asked by the NCB. Sahil Joshi and Saurabh are still live with us. Sahil, I'm taking this straight across to you. Sahil, we've just read out the inside track of the kind of questioning Ananya Pandey is going to be going through, and one of the questions that stands out in this was, what kind of drugs have you consumed? So direct questioning on whether Ananya Pandey has also questioned drugs, not just her connection with Aryan Khan or what she knows about Aryan Khan vis-a-vis drugs, but even herself.